Alright, so we got the 2020 Burnout Call-Out Challenge going on. Zip Ties and plies up in Canada there started this. If you've not ever seen his channel, put the women and the children away for the night and fire up the YouTubes. Plenty of good content there. It's not for everybody, but he's good. He started this, and I can't even remember who the originals were. Robert's Garage actually messaged me on Instagram, and old car guy tagged me in his burnout post. But Robert's Garage pretty much said, hey, if you got them, smoke them. So I thought, well, maybe not. What would I do with? My original plan, or my real plan, would have been to use this guy. But got that 4L60E life, and I've got a extra neutral that I didn't originally have, so kind of cuts down on that second gear flare on the burnouts. That truck will be coming to the channel soon. Got an 80E swap for it. That one, it might spin in the grass, so, and it's not mine, so probably don't need to beat on that. I just put new tires on that thing. There's no flare, no spin flare for that, so we gotta find something. Let's go walk around this junk, see what runs, what doesn't, and see what we can find. So I gotta figure out what to use. Not beating on that. It runs, it doesn't move. Toyota will spin them, I'd rather not. Tires are about half wore out, and I plan on beating on that thing in different ways this year. If we all know the jack stand crowd, how that runs. Yeah, I don't even know about this thing. It'll probably break. So that leaves me with this gem right here, which is extra fitting for everybody up there in the Rust Belt, because as you can see, the chrome is stronger than the steel. It's from like Maine or something, Massachusetts. Call this truck Dirty Andy, because it was flat filthy when I got it. I actually bought it to part it out 2 years ago. Fixed it and been driving it ever since. Kind of got the, I don't have the plywood driveway like mullet brake, but I got the steel plate driveway, and that's what I used to work off of until I poured the concrete. So here's my plan. I'm going to take a chain Dirty Andy to the Connex. Hope to God the Connex don't fall. And I guess it's open diff, so I guess we're just going to wreck the right rear. I've had brand new tires for this thing in the Connex for about a year now, so I guess this will kind of push me into putting tires on it. My only problem is, if it'll crank, it's going to yell at me and say low oil pressure. So first, I probably should see if it'll start. So what do you know? All right, I'll get the battery charger so I can get this pile started. All right, we got this pile strapped to the Connex. I got some safety precautions in place to keep the steel sheet from shooting back here and me having to wrestle it back up there where it's at. All right, well, this thing's got a rather crappy second gear. She likes to shudder. Maybe we can get it into second. All right.
you have it. That actually hurt.
Well, there's my burnout for the year, and I don't know what else to say, but thanks for watching Left 4 Dead Garage, and I guess we'll see in 2021 maybe. I don't know if I'll get another video out this week or not, but I'd like to thank everybody that's watched, and thanks for Robert's Garage giving me for the call out there on Instagram. I'll put his link down in the description. Oh, old car guy also had me tagged in his burnout. I don't know if that was a call out or not, but we'll just say it is. All this comes from old Zip Ties and Bias Plies, and up in Canada. So hopefully this is good enough for everybody, because that was a pretty big boom. Well, I got a mess to clean up, so thanks for watching Left 4 Dead Garage. We'll see you later.